In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and personalize your Etsy account to maximize your shopping experience. We'll be going through a few simple yet important steps to ensure that you can tailor Etsy to your personal preferences, making it easier for you to explore handmade, vintage, custom, and unique items from creative sellers around the globe. First, let's head over to the delightful world of Etsy. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Etsy. If you're in the Philippines, Etsy Philippines is the ideal platform for localized content, but don't worry, the steps we'll cover apply no matter where you're accessing the site from. Once you're on Etsy's homepage, you'll be greeted with a colorful array of art and collectibles just waiting to be discovered. But before you dive into shopping, let's fine-tune your account settings for a smoother experience. Look to the top right corner of the page. You'll find an option for account settings, which is where you'll manage how Etsy works for you. Click on this and you'll enter a world of customization options that will help tailor your Etsy browsing to your liking. Once inside, you will see a few options, one of which is to select your preferred language. Etsy caters to a diverse global audience, which is why it supports multiple languages. Choose the language you are most comfortable with. This setting will ensure that any product descriptions and communication with sellers are presented in a way that feels intuitive to you. After selecting your preferred language, you'll want to save your changes. This is a crucial step because any unsaved changes will revert to the previous settings, potentially causing inconvenience during future visits. Look for the Save Settings button. It's usually prominently displayed to ease the saving process. Click it, and just like that, your preferences are updated. Beyond these basic steps, there are additional settings and configurations you can explore to make your Etsy experience even more rewarding. Whether it's adjusting your privacy settings or exploring your purchase history, taking a moment to set up your account truly pays off. And there you have it, a personalized Etsy experience set up in a matter of minutes. By customizing your language settings and saving them, you pave the way for a shopping journey that speaks directly to you. Enjoy discovering the treasures on Etsy with just a bit more ease and efficiency. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy shopping on Etsy. Remember, it's not just about buying things, it's about connecting with artistry and craft from people who love what they do. Until next time, take care and enjoy all that you discover on Etsy.